KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Laitkor ni Shlem ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Commissioner Jokatnat Transport uba Israel Wingti Haka sngi balang ka arpusantre jembang arajar arpuar ula pli pat ba ya ka Shlem di kali joko Frank Motors kepada nak senang Laitkor ni Shlem uba ingti ula pli ya kini ka Shlem di kali haringkat ka jingsa kilang jong original sales manager ka North East Usoman Paul original service manager Usaraf Ghosh ki nongsha khot ngobha ki bahayang asem bat ki nong tre jong ka Frank Motors bala long try do ba in don lang pasa hakini kesngi la plaj pat ba southly kali jong Frank Motors ki belatip kerteng kum ka Tata Harrier connection Altrox bat ka Punch kador ini kali kesedang nadu ndriu lak tengka shaneng
kum ka dak jong sa kan ma ko jing yan ti jong pi ka jing penyar ka jong pi ka tanat Jong ka Frank Motors and gracing the occasion we have with us our esteemed chief guest Shri Rngi IES Commissioner of Transport to the Government of Plie. And I request the floor, guys, please.
It's my pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to our new Tata Motors passenger vehicle dealership, Frank Motors Shlem. I would like to thank you all for joining us today in our inaugural day. And special thanks to the Commissioner of Transport, Mr. Rngi, then Mr. Simon Paul, the Regional Sales Manager, Northeast Tata Motors, Shri Saurav Ghosh, Regional Service Manager, Northeast Tata Motors. As we all know, Tata Motors is one of the world's leading automobile manufacturers, having technical expertise and experience for decades. Tata Motors strive to upgrade by launching its new forever range of passenger cars with BSA compliant, superior, Impact 2.0 design language, and also new offerings in the electric vehicle segment. Tata Motors vehicles are engineered in three main pillars, that is design, safety, and driving pleasure. Vehicles in our portfolio like the Nexon, the Altroz, and the Punch are one of the India's safest 5-star NCAP rated cars, followed by Tiago and Tigor, keeping in mind the safety of the people of Shillong in particular and Meghalaya in general.
Our brand is just flourishing, and you have also seen, I'm sure, the new concept cars of Curve and Avinya in these product lines when will be coming up the vehicles in coming 1 year or 2 years from now. I'm sure that this particular vehicles will give another fillip and boost to the transportation sector in Meghalaya in particular. I will also share with you that as a group, as a company, we are committed to become carbon neutral by 2045, and to do that we have invested heavily in both ICE and the electric vehicle engines. And as you know, we are also pioneer for the safety of the vehicle. In fact, we are the first manufacturer in this country who have got the first 5-star safety rated car in the Indian roads. That is the Nexon, followed by our car, that is the Altroz. And now Punch is also came up with a 5-star safety rated vehicle from Global NCAP. And with the success of these vehicles like Nexon, Punch, Tiago, Tigor, and in fact Harrier, that has given us a very big brand premiumness. In fact, Harrier, I must say, tell you that is the first product that we have got from JLR's platform. And in fact, everything from in that particular vehicle actually came from JLR's library. In fact, till the time of the alloy wheels of the Harrier is coming from the JLR's library. So let me be very frank with you from product point. we will be putting on interventions and bringing the new cars. And we have given this particular dealership in Shillong after almost 1.5 years. And we are sure with the kind of product pipeline we have and with the kind of service focus Indonesian have, I'm sure the Frank Motors will touch the new heights very soon.
It's a pleasure to be here with you to witness the starting of this venture today. I wish that this program and this venture will be a success. We would like to hear much more, but I think time is constrained. So with these words, I thank you all and congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
3, 2, 1. So this is Tata Punch for you guys. The board SUV designed with class-leading comfort and convenience features, the safest made in India car awarded by Global NCAP. So the above-all SUV with stunning impact design 2.0 and exhilarating performance that rises above all with an all-new 6-speed and 170 turbocharged diesel engine equipped with ESP. So that's brought to you than just a pretty low-end hatchback, equipped with comprehensive safety system that has bagged a 5-star rating from the EAP. Yes, from Tata Motors. It was thank you so much, this is our promotion. And the next one provides the best-in-class ground clearance. And the next.
Kublai or thank you. Kublai is as a word in Khasi. This word is one of the most used words in Khasi language. Kublai is a short and condensed word for Tukku Ablai, which means God bless you or God bless me. We use Kublai whenever we greet someone we know or even a stranger. It is with so much pride for me as an indigenous Khasi man to tell the world that the first thing we do when we meet a stranger is bless them with a kind word.
From here onward, we will have many more programs. In fact, Indon has requested me to inform that very soon this Saturday we will have a special drive, test drive for all the media persons in Shillong. In all the ranges of test vehicles that we have, we will have it in one of the locations that we've arranged somewhere in Malaysia. Thank you, sir, for your generosity. Thank you, Zach, for your time and everybody else. On behalf of Frank Motors, lunch is ready. Thank you very much.